Jamaican.
My name is Sharon Pennon Taylor. I must say the Army has been supportive throughout this hurricane. I have food. They have come, they have allowed us to talk with them, reason with them. My roof, even though it's gone, the house is gone. They have installed tarpaulins. They bought some stuff from some roofing material, and we're about to come out of the truck that we are presently in to go in the room because they are supposed to return. They have come, they took an assessment of what the building will need. They have partially cleaned up the yard of the blocks that blocked the house, that fell from the house, and they promised that they would come back, but they have not been back yet, simply because I understand that they have been deployed to other homes, and there are other mothers like me who would want the help. I'm so appreciative of the Army. I never knew that I would have gotten the response from JDF that I have gotten, even the emotional support.